Happy Tuesday, firsties. We're going to go over your math from yesterday. So if you can go find this page here, it's page 637. All right, and we're going to go over this. I asked you to try number 11, 12, 13, and 14 on your own. So we'll go over this one together. And then if you did the Monday math challenge, which looked like this on page 639, we'll go over that together. And if you didn't do it, then you can just fill it in as we go along. So go grab your papers if you need to and something to write with, and come on back and we'll go over this together. Okay. So remember, we're using just what's in our head to think 10 less of a number. So when we're thinking 10 less of the number, we're only changing the digit that's in the tens place. The ones place number stays the same. Okay, so the tens place number becomes one less because it's really a 10, and the ones place number stays the same. So I said you could highlight the tens place number and think, I'm going to change this number, and I underline my ones place number, and I said I'm going to keep that the same. So 47 minus 10 is 37. I did the same thing here. I highlighted my 8 in the number 85, and I underlined the 5. The highlight means I want to change that and make it one less, and I want to keep my 5 the same. So 85 minus 10 equals 75. All right, then here on number 13, I had the number 11. I highlighted the 1 in the tens place because I have to make that go down by 1, which would be 0. So if I'm going to write a 0 in my tens place, I don't have anything to write right now, and the 1 in my ones place stays the same. So 11 minus 10 equals 1. So that one you should really be able to do in your head. Quick, right? So we're going to look here again, and it says subtract using tens frames and mental math. Complete the related addition equation. So once again, 39 minus 10, I'm going to think 10 less than 39, and that's going to give me 29. Now I'm going to have to think what plus 10 equals 39. Well, I'm just flipping it. So 29 plus 10 would equal 39. So this is 10 less when it's 39 minus 10 equals 29, and this is 10 more when it's 29 plus 10 equals 39. And I also showed you how you could do a T and O trick, and my example was 37 and 27, okay, if it was 10 less. So that's what I did there. So take a look, see how you did. Give yourself a smiley or 100 or a star. If anything was not the right answer, go ahead and fix it now so you understand how to do it for the next time. And let's all look at the Monday Math Challenge, whether you did it or not. We're going to look at it together here. All right, and it says you can mentally subtract 10 from any number. Imagine moving up one row on a hundredths chart. So 72 minus 10, I found my 72. I go up one row and I get the number 62. Or you can subtract 1 from the tens place, the 10 digit. 7 tens minus 1 10 equals 6 tens. And I keep my ones place, the 1 digit, the same. So again, that's 72 minus 10 equals 62. All right, so use mental math to solve. And again, I'm going to look at the digit in my tens place. I'm going to change that to be 1 less, and I'm keeping the number in my ones place the same. Okay, so 85 minus 10, 10 less than 85 is going to give me 75. The 8 tens become 7 tens, and the 5 1 stays the same. 37 minus 10, I look at the tens place, it's a 3. So 3 tens becomes 2 tens, and the 7 ones stay the same. 37 minus 10 equals 27. Same thing here, 59 minus 10. I look at the 5, which is in my tens place. 10 less than the 5 would be 4 tens, and the 9 is in my ones place, so it stays the same. 59 minus 10 equals 49. Number 4, 14 minus 10. Again, I have a 4 in my tens place. I have to think 10 less. That would give me 3 tens, and my ones place number, which is only a 1, stays the same. 41 minus 10 equals 31. Thumbs up. How are you guys doing so far? Good. All right, number 5, 75 minus 10. Think of what you're going to do. You're going to look at the number in the tens place. And you're going to make it be 1 less, which is really 1 10 less. So 7 tens is 6 tens, and the 5 in the ones place stays the same again. 75 minus 10 equals 65, and number 6, 16 minus 10. So 10 less than 16 is going to give us 6. And if you're not sure how to do that, when you get that 0, you could just do it out with your tens blocks. So if this is 110 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can take this 10 away, and then I see I'm only left with 6. Okay? So smileys on that, hundreds on that, stars on that. Great job. Now you're going to hop on over to Pearson, and you're going to watch the 2 videos, and you're going to do the quick check for the same lesson, lesson 11.5, and then your Tuesday math challenge, if you accept the challenge, is the back from today's challenge, yesterday's challenge. So today's challenge is page 640. So tomorrow we'll go over page 640 together as our math challenge, and we'll practice a new math topic. All right, happy Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday again. See you tomorrow, guys.